Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the basic SEO settings available in Gridbox and learn how to optimize your pages for search engines and social media platforms. To access the SEO settings, open the Page Settings and navigate to the SEO section. Here, you can configure several important options that help improve your website's visibility and control how your content appears in search results and social media shares. The SEO title defines the title displayed in search engine results and browser tabs. A clear and descriptive title helps search engines understand the content of your page and can improve click-through rates. The meta description provides a brief summary of the page content. The robot settings allow you to control how search engines interact with a page. You can choose whether a page should be indexed by search engines and whether links on the page should be followed. These options are useful when working with private content, landing pages, or pages that should not appear in search results. In the Sharing tab, you will find the Open Graph settings, which control how your page appears when shared on social media platforms. You can define a custom title, description, and image for social sharing. This allows you to create more attractive link previews and improve engagement when your content is shared. Configuring these basic SEO settings helps search engines better understand your content and ensures your pages are presented effectively across search engines and social media platforms. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.